It runs really fast and it looks like a lot of different ground beetles. This one is black, but that is probably just a camera effect. But let's slow down for a moment. 10 times slower, so we can watch this beetle moving and understand how it runs. These small insects can take color variations between black, blue, green, and copper colors and are found between the months of June and August. This little fellow is black, and it is quite easily distinguishable when you know what you're looking for. They can be mistaken with the great black clock beetle, especially if their color is an intense black. Having said that, we can see that this little beetle has very pronounced ridges all over the elytra, which is just a name to refer to their wing encasing, kind of like a suitcase for their flying gear. It still can be confused with another type of granulate bronze of green ground beetle from the same genus Carabus of species arvensis. However, these are very subtle differences, and for this video the one that is quite visible is the fact that the ridges are prominent all over the elytra. In this case, it becomes very clear that we are dealing with a species of genus Carabus and species Granulatus. It runs really fast and it was not that easy to film it. This one was found in a field close to a forest in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, these are called kettingschalebeiter, or gekogelde veldloopkever. In Germany, these are called Königenlaufkäfer, or Gekönte-Laufkäfer. Finally, in Portuguese, these are simply called besouro de chão. Granulated ground beetles exhibit a predatory behavior, and this particular sort hunts mostly at night for snails, worms, and other insects. This is one of the reasons why they may be efficient as pest control for some crops. They are one of the few species that still may be able to fly, although I didn't see that while filming this video. Don't forget to read the description for more information about the ground beetle. I have placed all the resources I've used to make this video in the description, and they are all available online. If you enjoyed this video, please like, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Keep it graceful and stay sharp. As a short disclaimer, I'd like to mention that I'm not associated or affiliated with any of the brands eventually shown, displayed, or mentioned in this video.